If you're B2B, track messaging and ICP signals, not just your competitors' ads. B2B competitors analysis is special. Longer cycles, sometimes hidden pricing, and different channels. If you use B2C tools, you will get bad data. Here are the best B2B specific competitors tools for competitive intelligence. In B2B, you win on positioning and sales enablement. You need platforms that reveal your competitors' content strategy, their tech stack, and that is going to tell you where they're going before they get there. B2B competitors leave clues on pages, content, and on their offers. Today, we'll look at positioning, use cases, pricing signals, and conversion paths like demos and webinars. Then we'll track demand capture and demand gen channels, and I'll show you how to build a B2B friendly scorecard. The truth is, today we're going to do this manually, and it's fine. But if you're looking to automate the tracking of your competitors, then Panorama is the platform for you. On Panorama, you can track all your competitors automatically. Not only their ads, specifically ads on Meta, LinkedIn, Google, and YouTube, but also their emails, landing pages, social posts, reviews, and much more. On top of tracking all their campaigns, the platform is going to be able to give you insights on the next campaigns that they might run and allow you to compare yourself against them automatically with automated real-time benchmarks. First of all, pick your competitor set. Start with this and do this by ICP overlap. Then extract the main messaging of your competitors and map the funnel steps to their pipeline. By the end, you'll know, and we're going to do this right away, who's winning, who's segmenting in which way, and why. Once you've defined your competitors, then you should pick your main question. Commonly in B2B, you might want to ask, what are my competitors' main messaging right now? What channels are actually driving pipeline for them? Have them integrated something new in their tech stack? What objections, for instance, if you have a sales team, what objection shows up in reviews and sales calls? And at the end of the day, what does sales need to win deals? To do this, you need to use a platform that's going to track for you automatically every single piece of marketing done by your competitors. B2B run ads, landing pages, emails, webinar, and product launches. You know this. A tracking platform will help you monitor automatically all these assets, spot their positioning shifts, and will keep historical changes so you can reference to them. At the same time, on Panorama, on top of doing this, you're going to be able to see which tech stack your competitors are using, which software they're using for analytics, marketing automation, CRM, A/B testing, chat, and much more. This will help you understand how they operate, which integration they might push, and what their focus is at this very moment. Then the truth is, to make competitive analysis useful, you need to establish a frequency. You can't just do it once upon a time and hope that you have captured the true reality of your competitors. You need to do this consistently so you can have a real overview. For instance, build a weekly cadence. Weekly, you can check what changed. Monthly, what patterns are repeating. Quarterly, what does this mean for our positioning and our roadmap? And if you'd like to do this correctly, you can't do this manually. At the same time, you don't have to chase 8 tools because a blog post said so. Building a stack that answers your biggest B2B question this quarter with Panorama. This will give you access to all your competitors' campaigns in one place, tracked automatically for you, continuously. So each time that you get an answer about your competitors' move and how this can impact you, you'll get the answer right away so you can make better marketing decisions faster.